Let's make sugar scrub with soap and moisturizer. These are the ingredients to make the sugar scrub. You may prepare the materials in separate containers as shown. Are you ready for the steps? Firstly, measure cocoa butter, soap and fractionated coconut oil in a bowl. Break them up into small pieces so it will melt faster. Melt them in a double boiler with the mixing bowl on top of a pot of boiling water. Keep stirring until all have melted. When all have melted, remove the mixing bowl from the pot of boiling water. Allow it to cool slightly before you add honey while stirring the mixture. Next, add mica mineral powder and stir well to mix in the color. After adding the mineral powder, add a few drops of essential oil. Now, add sugar in small amount each time and mix well. Repeat this action of adding sugar and stirring the mixture until eventually it thickens. Next, scoop out the sugar scrub and place it in the mold. Press on it to make it level and to compact it in the mold. Finally, place the mold in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once it hardens, remove the scrub from the mold. Here are some pointers on using the sugar scrub. I hope you enjoy making and using them. Goodbye.